Welcome back to Baking Art Theory. Today we're diving into the science behind baking, specifically gluten development and why it matters. Gluten is a fascinating network of proteins, primarily glutenin and gliadin, that are found in wheat flour. When flour is mixed with water, these proteins bond together to form gluten. This bonding process is essential for creating the texture and structure of baked goods, from bread to pastries. The development of this gluten network is influenced by several factors, including the amount of mixing, the intensity of kneading, and the type of flour used. Different flours have varying protein contents, which can affect the strength and elasticity of the gluten network. High-protein flours, such as bread flour, are crucial in baking because they develop more gluten. This gluten formation provides the necessary strength and elasticity for the dough. When you knead the dough, the gluten strands align and create a network that traps air bubbles. Gluten traps air and gas from leavening agents, helping the dough rise. This is essential for bread and other yeast-leavened products that need to rise and hold their shape. Without this gluten network, the bread would be dense and flat, lacking the airy texture we all love in a good loaf of bread. Low-protein flours like cake and pastry flour develop less gluten, resulting in a tender, crumbly texture. This is ideal for cakes, cookies, and pastries. The strength of gluten influences how well the dough can expand and retain its shape during baking. Foods like pizza dough benefit from a chewy texture, achieved through a strong gluten network. Conversely, unlike bread dough, pastry dough is only mixed until all the ingredients are combined, resulting in less gluten development. So to summarize, gluten development is affected by several factors. When dough is mixed and kneaded, gluten strands align and strengthen, creating a flexible and elastic network. More kneading strengthens the gluten. Water affects gluten development. Adequate hydration allows proteins to bond and form gluten. Too little water prevents gluten formation, while too much can dilute it. Resting and fermenting dough gives gluten time to develop further. Fermentation also produces gases that get trapped in the gluten network, contributing to the dough's rise and texture. Thank you for joining us on this delightful journey into the world of baking. If you want to dive deeper and discover more about the art of baking, make sure to explore our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest delicious content. Happy baking, and see you next time.